So we've just came in the Chinese zoo, and this is how they feed the python. Look at the size of the python. Like knows what's coming. Whoa, it's coming. Maybe it's not hungry.
It knows it can't go anywhere.
It's trying to escape the poor little thing. Look at the pure terror in its eyes. It knows it's about to become lunch. He's not scared anymore, he's just gonna...
Oh, there's his face, check it in.
Oh shit. Yeah, we'll go.
With the reflection on myself.
We try and get a shot from above. The shrim's all that friggin'... Python's not even interested, is it? It's going to sleep. What the? Little white fox. Hello. Blue eyes. Oh, it's shaking.
Cold.
Poor little thing. How can it be cold with that coat on it? Oh, here's a monkey. Oh.
That's his laugh, man.
Hello.
They'll probably take us fur.
Hello. Look how small its cage is. It's like quite a big monkey, and it lives in that tiny little cage. Look at him, he looks depressed, the poor little thing. Just sitting there with his head down. Oh my god, I feel so sorry for that monkey. Oh, he's getting angry. He's getting angry. He's not happy. I think that's why he's been separated from the others, because he's a big male.
Yeah.
He's probably been attacking people and attacking others. Yeah, he's pissed off. Hello! Monkey. Look, I'll show it itself on the camera, I like that. Look. It's looking at itself on the camera. A big red horse.
Even the fingers are like human fingers.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? That white one, it looks especially human.
Yeah.
Its little face. Its little fingers. How is that possibly a zoo attraction? What the hell is that? It's like magpies in cages.
There are two there. One. That's cute.
Little squirrel monkeys. They're just huddled together, freezing cold. Fuck, there's a big camel over there, look at that. Oh, here we go. A couple of little friends.
That's food. The birds.
Porcupines. Have you ever seen an agitated porcupine?
I have.
Fuck, man, look at the size of them.
These things will eat us, eh? If we sit in here.
Huge. Big pork chops.
Yeah.
I know, look at the size of the things in the pen, that big. Look at the size of the pen compared to the... I'm talking to the video as well, by the way, like, just in case you're wondering why I'm rambling on. Yeah, the pen is tiny compared to the poor fuckers. These are really intelligent as well, you know, pigs. There's a big pool over here. Some sort of pool.
Oh, cool.
But it's just a...
You took the parking lot.
No, I don't.
Advertising
Cockfights. Oh, look at that.
at a zoo.
Cockfighting at the zoo. It's not every day you see that. Oh, they must have some sort of display on here because there's like all these chairs.
Mm.
And then they've got that thing what you can walk up and tightrope and
Monkeys and shit.
yeah, monkey shows and things like that. Why is there a dog in the zoo? Just an Alsatian. Oh my god. Some sort of dog over there. I don't know if it's a wild dog. I've never seen dogs at the zoo before. Oh. I think they're friendly. Should I try and stroke it?
Tiger behind you.
I don't know if these can bite or not. I'm not going to touch it. Yeah. Ostriches.
These taste amazing, yeah. You know what biltong is? I'm sure you get that in the UK.
Biltong?
Yeah, it's like American beef jerky, but it's the South African thing.
Oh.
We have ostrich biltong.
I've had ostrich burgers.
Yeah, we have ostrich. 你要这个薯条的，这个不要这个，你要吗？这个，来，
You want a cigarette?
哎，一个薯条，这个呢是和是薯条，我听不懂，听不懂，对不起。He's not speaking Chinese.
Mongolian.
No, it's like Cantonese.
Alright. It's like the beginning of a horror movie, like coming into an old abandoned zoo and weird Mongolians, or Cantonese.
Yeah, he wasn't speaking Chinese. So.
Fuck. I think we should just stay under there for now, to be honest. Because it's going to really piss down. I think he was basically saying it's going to piss down, you better leave or something.
But he's pointing.
You thought you wanted a...
like, you know, like try and make some...
You thought you wanted a cigarette. Oh,
I thought he did. Because I said, the old jiggerman, he's like, do you want this? He's like, yeah.
Let's see if the chicken's still alive. It's still wandering around on top of the fucking... Still alive. This is the alligator pit. Look at them. Holy moly. I can practically reach over and touch that crocodile. Look. That's how close you can get to the crocodiles here. And I think these things can jump quite far. But yeah, there's a big rainstorm coming. Taking refuge in the little box. This is the little place where the check-in staff work, so we just came in here without permission.
Get inside there.
I just hope this rain isn't going to last very long.
It usually doesn't.
This is like, yeah, when it pisses down like this, it doesn't last that long.
Another reason I want a car.
Well, we've got plenty of stuff to keep entertained, a few books.
Let's just find some girls. Oh shit.
Whoa! Is that just the wind?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not sure if the guy was warning us about the storm, but he wasn't pointing.
Yeah. He might have been pointing up at the sky. That's why there's no Chinese tourists here today, because they're not as daft as us Lao coming to the zoo on a rainy day.
Yeah. It could set actually.
It could, yeah.
It's a bit neat.
The whole thing, yeah. The whole thing.
Yeah, actually. What the other? Actually, me too in case. Yes, like others, isn't it? So low.
You want to charge your phone up?
Yeah, I'm good.
Fucking hell, look at that.
Yeah, because obviously I'm going to drive back to my school, so.
You see how fast the water's coming out of there? I would love it if the crocodile pit filled up and it all just got out.
Yeah.
And we were in here and we just seen them like outside waiting for it. That'd be a good YouTube video. So basically now we're stuck in the zoo. Do you think it's very deep in the